Use PayPal to get paid? Syncing it with FreshBooks automatically records those payments, saving you from manual entry and reducing errors. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to the Expenses section and click Connect an Account. Search for and select PayPal. You'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account to authorize the connection. Once connected, FreshBooks will import your PayPal transactions as expenses or sales. You'll categorize them just like bank transactions. Sales will automatically match to open invoices. My crucial pro tip? Reconcile the PayPal fees separately. When a client pays a $100 invoice via PayPal, you might only receive $97.10. FreshBooks will import the net deposit. Make sure to also categorize the $2.90 fee as a separate bank fees expense to capture your true costs. Close the loop between getting paid and your bookkeeping in one click. Do your clients prefer to pay via PayPal or another method? For more guides on financial integrations, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.